What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to replace the logic board of my MyQ garage door opener. So what happened was our neighborhood power went out and then went back on again. And when it went back on again, the logic board got fried. And so I'm going to show you really quickly how to replace that logic board. It's a pretty quick step. I called support. They were really nice. They sent me a new one. They overnighted it in about 2 days. I was kind of pissed, to be honest, because I just bought this garage door opener like less than a year ago and this thing broke from something as simple as a power outage. But support was cool. They were super helpful. Again, they did send another logic board for free. And so I'm just going to show you really quickly how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is unplug the garage door opener if that's not already the case. And then you're going to see the wires that are coming in from the sensors and the power. So just make a note of it, the black and the white and the red and the white of those, just pop those out and take those sensor wires out. After that, remove the plastic white cover, and then there's 4 screws attaching the side of the unit. So you want to unscrew those to access the logic panel board inside. Okay, so there's these two harnesses here. You just kind of pull them off. Okay, so there's 2 screws here, one up here in the corner, one down here at the bottom corner, and then you'll see these little clips. These clips right here. There's one up here and one on the bottom there. So remove the 2 screws and then use the clips and you can pull the whole thing out. Okay, so I took the 2 screws out and then just hit the 2 clips and then this thing slides out. The wire just pulls out, the antenna pulls out of that hole, and then you're good to go and put in the new one. Alright, so I got the new board here, and I guess with electronics you kind of want to just make sure you don't have any shock. So just touch some metal parts here just to kind of ground yourself. And then take the new and improved board. I so hope this works. And we just reverse the steps that I showed you to install it. Just reconnected the connectors, put in the 4 screws. Now I'm just going to put in these wires and then we can power it up. See how we're doing. Okay, so we're all set. So next thing is I'm going to push this yellow learn button. It'll glow, and then you have your remote and you push your remote until it learns. And so I've just tested that and that works fine. So we're good. Okay, and then the last step is to program your travel, automatic travel, so it learns how far it should go up and down. So you push this black button here until the top arrow is flashing, and you push the top arrow until you get to the desired height of your garage door, and then you let go. Okay, and then the down arrow should be flashing, so you push that and you wait till the garage door goes down to the desired stopping position, and then you let go of the down arrow. And then once you're done, you hit the black button again. And then it's just gonna flash a bunch of times, and then it's actually going to go up and then go back down again to test the sensors, and after that you're all set. So that's about it. It took about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, not too bad. One thing I am going to do, however, definitely in the future, is this is plugged in right into the outlet. So I got one of these surge protectors from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It's got a lot of different outlets all into one. It's pretty cool. It's got some USB connectors too, which I don't need right now, but this is what I'm going to use to plug my garage door opener to. So next time there's a power outage and it comes back on, hopefully I won't have that circuit board issue again. All right, thanks a lot. See you in the next video.